beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayeli. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on social media. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple get ready with me / testing out new products. So I have a couple of new products that I'm going to test here that I've never tried before, and I don't know if they're new, but definitely I've never tried them before, like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder, the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and the Maybelline The Falsie / Lift Mascara. I'll be trying out all of these products in this video, so I hope you enjoy. Sit down, relax, grab a coffee, a snack, something, and let's get started. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be trying out some new products and just getting ready with you guys. So I went to Target yesterday and I got a couple of new products that I want to share with you. So a mascara, and this is a Falsie / Lift mascara from Maybelline. I also got this e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter Cloud. This e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter in the shade in the color Cloud, and I've never tried these before. And all of these things, I don't know if they're new or not, but I just have never tried them. And I needed a new powder, but I couldn't find my shade on the one that I always use, which is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So I went ahead and got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent. So we'll see how that works. And last but not least, I got the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. My hair's falling. So we are going to be trying out all of these products to make the process a little faster. This is going to be like a get ready with me / try new products, which I really enjoy. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and prime my face. I haven't primed my face, so I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Booty, just kidding. So the next thing that I'm going to do is apply foundation, and I am using the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 425. I love this foundation. It is one of my favorite foundations, and I'm going to be using the Tati Beauty Blendiful, which I love. I adore this. It's so good. I have a review on it if you want to see it. So I just put about 2 pumps. I have the foundation on. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my concealer, which I'm going to be trying out the new Camo Concealer, which are just the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I got the shade Fur Warm, so hopefully it's not too light for me or dark. I've heard a lot of great things about this, so it looks really light. I'm a little bit scared. I love the big applicator it has. Let's see. Okay, I think it might be a little light, but I think we can work with it. So I don't know, I think I applied too much. Okay, so with the same Blendiful, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Okay, I really like this one. It feels really hydrating. I used to have the other one, the regular one, but I did run out of it. I went ahead and bought this one. So that is the reason why I am really trying this, because I still had some of the other one and it looks really hydrating. I definitely do see that. So the one I used to use was this one and the 16-hour Camo Concealer, but this was the hydrating one. I actually really like the hydrating one better than this one, a lot more than this one, because this one was a little bit drying, but this one feels really hydrating, and I could even see like the little glow that it gives. Now I am going to set on my under eye. So I'm going to be using the Photo Focus Translucent, and it has a little sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it if I can. Oh yay, that was super easy. So I'm going to put some, just looks like this. I hope it doesn't have glitter. It doesn't. Ooh. So I'm going to go ahead and take this sponge. Just going to do this because I don't want, whoa, I think I got a lot. So I don't want a lot, but I'm going to set this. So yeah, I actually really like this. It looks really flawless. It doesn't look cakey at all. Nice. I really like. It's very good. It's also very inexpensive, so I highly recommend. But of course, I will be checking in with you guys later to tell you what I think about it at the end when I am done. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow, my eyebrows, and the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to speed this up, and then once I get to the mascara and the highlighter, I will come back. Let's do this. That is the eyeshadow. I just wanted something natural, something, you know, fast and natural. I'm going to go ahead and now try this mascara. I've been hearing so many good things about this mascara, and if you know me, I love a good mascara. I love to make my lashes really nice and big. I hardly ever wear false lashes. I actually don't even know how to put on false lashes. I do want to learn, but this one is the mascara, and this is the falsies. If you know me, and if you've been watching me for many years, you know that I love the Voluminous Lash Paradise, the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It is my favorite. But we're going to set this one aside. I feel like if I'm cheating on the mascara. So this is what it looks like. Of course. This is what it looks like. And here's the wand. Can we see that? So this mascara claims dramatic length, volume, and lift, and it is in the color Very Black. I do not like waterproof, so I did not get a waterproof mascara. It's very harsh on my lashes. So let's try this. I really like this mascara. It does leave my lashes pretty long and thick. I'm very impressed. Done a comparison, but honestly, I definitely think this one does give a lot more length than the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Oh, that thing's there. Anyways, but yeah, I really like. I'm going to apply the highlighter, because we still need the highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and try this jelly highlighter in the shade Cloud. Packaging is pretty cute. It's very elegant. I feel like e.l.f. has been stepping up their game recently, so I'm going to use this nasty sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and dab some on my chin. Okay. Oh my gosh. It looks kind of grayish. Why does it look weird? This is the shade of it. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of, I want to say a gold color, but with silver. I don't know. It's weird. Oh no. I feel like it's taking off my makeup. Why does it look weird? Okay, that definitely is very blinding. I really don't know how to work with it because it's pretty wet, but it actually doesn't look that bad at all. I'm actually going to put a little bit of it in the corner of my eyes. I know I already have something in the corner of my eyes, but I'm going to apply some. Let's see how it looks. It's actually very pretty. To set this, I am going to use this other e.l.f. white gold highlighter, and I have been using this one. I still don't know if I love it or not, but I've been using it every day just because I feel like it is a little bit more settled. But yet still very pretty. Ooh, yes. Glow up, girlfriend. I actually really like this. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips because I look a little pale. I'm going to go ahead and narrow it down to everything. First of all, the concealer. I really like it. It feels really nice under my eyes. It actually looks pretty nice under my eyes. I don't know if you agree with me, but I really like the way this feels and looks. It doesn't feel drying, and it definitely does not look very creasy at all or drying. I don't know if you can see that. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. I actually really like this one as well. It's not cakey. It's pretty light on my skin. Not light as in the color light. It feels light on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And I think it looks pretty good. You can't beat the price, $5. Moving on to mascara. I am actually very impressed. I have not found a mascara that will leave my lashes like this except for the Lash Paradise. I would have to use 2 mascaras, and I actually really like this mascara. I really like it a lot. My lashes look pretty darn big. The jelly highlighter, I don't know if I would want to wear this every single day just because you have to really work with it, blend it and all of that, especially when I'm in a hurry. But I do like it, but I don't know if I would wear it every day, maybe just on special occasions. Definitely in the inner corner of the eyes. I really do like that. Yeah, so this one's the I don't know if I love you or not yet. I still need to get to know you a little. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember that if today wasn't a good day, there will always be a better tomorrow. Please subscribe. It will help me out a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what other videos you want to see, if you want me to review a product, if you don't. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. God loves you. And take care. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.